I'm gonna cook the vegetables first, and then later I'm gonna wrap it and then fry it. So right now we're still cooking our vegetables. Okay. Hi, Gael. Hi. Thank you for watching. Sorry if I mute my volume once in a while because my son is watching cartoons and I don't want to get his music. Here's the tofu that I fried earlier. Okay. I love tofu. I like tofu a lot. It's really good. You can Hi Sam, thank you. Thank you for watching everyone. I really appreciate y'all being on my channel all the time. Thank you for your support. I use a little bit beef or chicken powder, whatever makes you happy, but that makes me happy. Okay, and then some salt. Here's some salt. I'm gonna cook the I want to cook the carrots first before I put the beans sprout because the beans sprout is really very quick. Maybe just 5 minutes and that's it. Okay. We put some ground pepper, ground pepper. Hey, okay. Then we're gonna put a little bit water, just little bit because we don't need this. We don't need too much water because we're gonna wrap this. Okay, just stir it. Okay, it's delicious.